Well, there you have it. There's the bird that guides me, the sea hawk. Every time I come down to the beach to create, the bird is here, either on a post or flying overhead, flying so gracefully, eyeing the water, and diving, coming up with a large fish in its talons. Definitely a messenger guide for me. As in, right now it's in a patient, silent mode. This is the closest and the longest time that my spirit animal guide has allowed me to be this close, and it's been a year. So our bond has come to a new level at this moment in time. I am so grateful for the learning abilities that this particular Seahawk brings to me. Its guidance through its actions provides me faith and the spirit to know when to be still and when to take action. I'm so grateful. And to add to things, there's a hummingbird. Today is one of the special days in my life. And another bird dive bombing my spirit animal. But as you can see, it holds itself in position of faith in that moment of no fear. I am so grateful.